just got my shipment from Maniology, formerly Bundle Monster. Jaime was talking about wanting stamping plates because she had, one.
And it was a Christmas one, so I really couldn't do anything with it. Yet.
So I happened to get an email saying, hey, buy 3, get 1 free stamping plates at Maniology. So I went for it. So
Thank you.
You're welcome. So Jaime trusted me to pick out the designs, which is very foolish to men do that because it's going to be all geometric shapes. So that's mostly what it was. I think I got a good blend of.
There's some interesting stuff here.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
I tried to make it so you can only get 4 because of the buy 3 get 1. So it really forced me to be very picky about what I said yes to. There was still some ones I was on the fence about, but I'm like, well, I'm going to go with, if I'm on the fence, what's the one that, if I could never ever order from there ever again, then make the judgment call. So I went with it.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, I was looking at the hollow while I waited. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, pineapples. I was talking about pineapples. I need pineapples. We're doing a Jamaican day. We're doing a Jamaican lunch. I don't know how to explain it. One of the guys that works for us does like a jerk chicken truck on the side. So they're doing a jerk chicken day and bringing in lunch for everybody. And there's going to be those empanadas, those meat patties, those Jamaican meat patties that we get at Epcot. And so we were talking about dessert, and somebody suggested pineapple upside down rum cake. Right? Mm-hmm. Doesn't that sound good? Yeah. I volunteered to make this. I'm sorry. But I said I was going to put pineapples on my nails, and son of a gun, here's a plate, pineapples on it.
I really do because it's cruise food.
Well, it is cruise food, but it's also going to be a pineapple upside down nail. There's even a thing that says "party like a pineapple" on here. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at all the pineapples. There's different versions. There's different bodies, like different designs for the body, and then different ferns for on top. Mm-hmm. Oh, are those cool? Those are very cruise food. What's this one? Chick Peak. No idea if these are names of stamping plates or what they are. But these are the geode things you were talking about. Mm-hmm. All right. And this one is Bundle Monster plus Got Nail. Ooh. Oh, mermaid scales. Mm-hmm. And a bunch of little mermaids swimming around. And ooh, I like the waves. Dolphins. Some arrows. Oh, those are going to be fun to play with. And what's this one? Maniology times the Nailsaurus. Ooh, really cool triangles. Mm-hmm. All kinds of little geometric things. Cool. Oh, those are going to be fun. I can't wait.
Well, then the other thing that they had was mystery packs. And so there's a limit to how many you can get. And I think it's probably a good strategy to get less is more. But it's for $15, it's random stuff. So what it is it's 10 items for $15. So it's original value $50.
Okay. This was a mystery package, this whole thing? Mm-hmm. All right, let's see what came in the mystery package. We have a little box that says Maniology. Okay, these are polishes, stamping polishes. We've got Nico, which is a pale yellow. Cool. We've got... You have absolutely no idea what's in here, right?
I've only peeked at what was in it, but I didn't.
Shibori, which is like a... That's
So,
a pretty blue.
Yeah.
All I know is this one's pink. Slam book. Huh? Nice. All right. We have palm trees and leaf stickers.
Mm-hmm.
Decals. We have a matchbook. I know what these are. They're emery boards.
Eh.
That's funny. That's very cute. Okay, here are some lines for nail art.
Mm-hmm.
That should be interesting to figure out what to do with those. Unicorn skin. A sheet of unicorn skin. Oh, look at it go.
Hmm.
Oh, another plate. More plates.
Yep. That's why I said you won't know what to do with yourself now.
Okay, we've got this one's called Chick Peak, and then a bunch of letters. Oh, interesting. They're like fossils and stuff. Geodes?
Something like that.
Another damn butterfly.
Hmm.
Oh, hummingbird. Is that a pot plant?
Probably.
Okay. Well, in April. I'll do that one in April. All right, let's see. Oh my god. All right, let's do this one since it's out. Tanya Wish. I see strawberries and a bunch of flowers. These are all like botanical.
Mm-hmm.
Botanical. We have botanical. And this one, yep, more triangles. Some Aztec-y looking blankets. Elephants!
Yeah.
I could do elephants. This would be interesting. Oh, I have to practice.
All right. Mystery number 2.
Okay. All right. Here we have another pack of files. All right. These are kind of silvery stickers.
Mm-hmm.
Stars and hearts and circles. Stars and hearts and circles. More unicorn skin. This one's got waves. See the waves?
Mm-hmm.
No idea what to do with this. I just wonder what this... I can't tell if it's like decals or what. I'll figure that out. Okay. Definitely gonna need another book.
Mm-hmm.
All right. This is the decal, the geodes again.
Okay.
All right. So we're a duplicate. This one, Ellen Dish. We know that. We've watched her videos.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I like these. These are cool. Hearts and stars and feathers and a few patterns and the word love a couple times and a honeycomb and a couple of lace. Oh, I can't wait to try the lace. Okay, this one, another Amy Tran. Oh, this one's cool. It's a bunch of faces. And ice cream cones and candies and there's cupcakes. And a bunch of all kinds of snacks. Oh, that's awesome. And donuts. And I don't know what that other thing is. I can't tell. Okay, and now we have more stickers. Little palm trees and hearts. Cool. All right, and then this box. Okay.
It looks suspicious that it's going to be the same
3 is before. But
Oh, well, that's okay though, because you can always use, polishes or polishes get used. So, and then when I have them and I don't have to worry about like running out, then I can practice more and not feel like I'm gonna, like I'm wasting it.
Yep.
Awesome, thank you.
So then, and I really will superimpose these later, I got her 4 stamping polishes, including basic white.
I only had black.
Yeah, that's how it all began.
But seriously, who's ever going to use anything except this hollow?
Well, I'll superimpose it because I took close-ups.
Yes, but how pretty is this? I could just do this all day.
But yeah, their thumbnails were really good as far as showing. They show it on white, on black, and then just if you're using it as a polish. So that was really cool to be able to get a feel for how it looked. And then again, I'm trying to just get away from just the basics because that's all I'll ever do is just the default. So I'm trying to push the envelope a little bit and pick other stuff. Hence this coppery looking stuff here.
If my order ever ships from Mexico, it's phenomenal. It feels like I placed this order 2 months ago. I looked at the email today. 5 days. I placed the order 5 days ago. It hasn't even shipped yet. It's only been 5 days. I need to calm down. Yeah. But I want it.
Now, normally, because this used to be called Bundle Monster, and then they've changed their name to Maniology, so they tend to send you a blend of things that either say Bundle Monster on it, or another way to tell is it'll say BMC, and now more and more their stuff is saying Maniology. Well, again, influencers, so we're watching Simply Nailogical and trying to meet our goal of watching all her videos ever. And she was saying something about she got something from Bundle Monster and used her code Simply for 10% off. So off I went, and that was my initial shipment was that. Well, now I'm starting to get like other coupon codes and stuff where it's like, well, Simply's the backup. But yeah, it's definitely a find. Their quality seems decent from what of it I've seen.
Oh my god. More gems. Oh, different kinds of gems. Ooh. Let's see. Alright, so these are these butterflies?
I don't know. They were random.
They're butterflies. I don't like butterflies. They scare me. And these are diamond shape. And these are stars. Cool. I could do lots of stuff with that. Smells like regular nail polish.
Definitely one to, keep in the toolbox as far as who to order from. Because the usual suspects are like, well, for us, old is like, okay, special occasions. Then there's Five Below and Dollar Tree and Big Lots. It's all that blend of like ranging $1 to $5 for the polishes and things. And so Maniology seems to kind of fill in the gaps with some of this, like as far as having higher end selection, but for more like the Five Below style price. So that's nice. Because some of this stuff, you just never know. Like when I was looking at different other sites where they're talking about stamping plates and all, I guess the big issue is etching. And there's X amount of these generally like out there in the wild that just, they're not well etched. And I'm thinking it's a lot of pain in the ass to order this stuff to not have it work. I mean, it's one thing to learn the technique. It's another thing to have crap plates. So I think with Maniology, they're definitely a place to keep an eye on, especially if you're new to this and you're looking to expand your range. And so pick up some plates. Because again, like with the buy 3 get 1 free, that's a nice offset where it really does drive the price downward to that $5 range. Yes, Canary.
I want to play.
All right, well, bye.
You gonna play?
Hmm?
You gonna play? We can play on the stamp on the silicone pads.
Yeah, we'll check that out.
I'm not very good at this yet. That one kind of worked.
Fabulous!
Yeah.